Hello everyone. In this Python program, we are going to create a binary classification dataset, trains the decision tree classifier and displays the decision tree graphically. Firstly, we import the libraries. First library is make classification, which generates a sample dataset for classification. Then a decision tree classifier, which creates and trains a decision tree model, then plot tree which draws the decision tree, and matplot library.pyplot which is used to plotting the graph. Then we generate a data set using x comma y is equal to make classification in bracket n samples is equal to 100, n features is equal to 4, n classes is equal to 2, and random state is equal to 42, and close the bracket. So the n samples is equal to 100 means it creates 100 data records. N features is equal to 4, that means each record has 4 features, that means columns. N class is equal to 2, which represent two output classes, which is 0 and 1, and random state is 42, which produce the same data set every time the program runs. Then we create and train the decision tree. So firstly, we create a decision tree using decision tree classifier, which uses the max depth is equal to 3 and random state is equal to 42. So max depth is equal to 3, that means limits of the tree is the up to third level, and random state is equal to 42. It ensures the consistent result. And for the trend model, we use clf.fit x y. The model learns pattern from the dataset. It finds the best feature, splits to separate class 0 and class 1. And then we create a figure, plt.figure, and the size of the figure is 12,8, which means the width is 12 inches and the height is the 8 inches. Then we plot the decision tree using plot tree, and parameters which uses is CLF. CLF is the trained decision tree model. Then field we use is true. Okay. Colors nodes according to the predicted class, and make the tree easier to interpret. Then feature name, which create features 0, 1, 2, and 3. Feature name, these labels appear in the tree models. And then class name, which we show like class 0 and class 1. And then add a title, which is a decision tree for binary classification, and using the show function we display the graph. Here is the output of the code. We show feature is 3, which less than equal to 0.203, and the decision rule used to split the data. If true, it moved left, and if false, it moved the right. Then is Gini, which is 0.5, which measures the impurity. 0 to 0.5 it for binary classification. And then samples, how many samples are used for reaching that node. And then the value is 50-50, that means 50 records belong to class 0 and 50 records belongs to class 1, and then class it belongs to a class 0. Same way the decision tree is made.